So Stikwood corner trim, it's available in all colors, all of our products. Where you would use it at is when you're making a 90 around the wall. There's two different ways to install Stikwood trim. So here would be a perfect place to use corner trim if you want to continue around this wall. We're at 90s, and the first method I'm going to use is going to be the flush method. So you get that pushed into the corner. You're going to take your Stikwood. You're going to butt it up to your trim. And there you go, you got a nice seamless look. Cap installation. This is where you would run the Stikwood right to the edge of the wall. Line your pieces of Stikwood up and essentially just cap it off, just like you would do on a 90 wall. And then you get a little texture. If you look, you're flush, you're seamless with the flush installation method. And then when you do the cap method, you have a little depth, a little texture to your wall.